Hey, welcome, welcome. All right, this is my tag full folio that I made, and I want to share it with you guys. I did decorate it using the romance novel. This collection here is 2013, so it's a pretty old collection. But I made a little quick folio that I wanted to use a 6x6 paper pad for. And because I know we all have these laying around, so I come up with this cute little folio. It does measure 6.25 by 6.25. Okay, so it fits a 6x6 pad perfectly, and that's the cover. Oh, this paper is just beautiful. I wish she was still making paper, because man, it's beautiful. So you open it up, and you have this, and it has a pocket here, and it's a double slanted pocket, and I just made a tag and just attached some ribbon to it. And then we have this little aspect here I just cut into the paper, oops, and just made a couple of things to go inside this little pocket here. And then this opens up. This was such a cute, fun album to make, and it doesn't take no time at all, and you have something. So then this flips open, okay, and then this flips open. Sorry, trying to keep it all on camera. Then that just fits right inside there, and that closes up. And then you have this little flip here. Beautiful paper, oh my gosh. So this tag here comes out, and it's a closing mechanism. So that flips open, then that flips open, then that flips open. So lots of room for photographs, guys. Very cute, very cute. And then that just closes, and that goes in there and keeps that all nice and tidy. Oops. So then here is a pocket page, okay? And this comes out. I left it, for the photos. And it just slides right back inside this pocket. And then that flips. So then again, this side mirrors this side. So then we have a double slanted pocket here. So you could put a tag here. You can put a tag here as well. Okay, I just have one tag in it. And then this opens up. No, this side does not mirror the other side. Forget that. So, you have a little tuck spot right here I just created. And the tag just fits down into here and keeps us all nice and tidy. So this flips open. And then that flips. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. And I just left those blank. So then, oops, that one closes, then that one. And then that tag here keeps that all nice and tidy. And again, I got the ribbon. And that is the cute little folio. Real easy to make, guys. Very cute. So I hope you enjoyed this cute little 6x6 folio. You got plenty of room for pictures. Okay. All right. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think about it. Give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment. All right. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.